Hello everyone! For today's video, I will be teaching you how you can use the auto caption feature on your CapCut account. First, open CapCut on your phone. This works both for Android and iPhone. Once CapCut is open, simply press the new project icon and choose the video that you want to put an auto caption to. If you want to share your location on Snapchat, keep watching this video. For example, I chose that video because I also created a voiceover for that, which later will turn into auto captions. Now, press the text icon on the bottom panel on your screen and choose auto captions. Once you press auto captions, you can now edit which language will be used. You can also choose to identify filler words and pauses, dynamic captions, and to remove selected options. Once you press done, CapCut will automatically create auto captions, which might take a while, so just be patient and wait. Once the caption has fully loaded, you can now see that the voiceover of my video will have an auto caption, so I don't have to type one by one each word I said on the video. You can also choose a certain part of your auto captions and change its colors, font, style, effects, animation, and many more. However, if you're planning to edit all auto captions generated, this might take a while. So what you can do is press one particular auto captions generated, press the select button at the left part of your screen, and press select all. Now, once you press the edit icon, every change you make in the font, style, effects, and animation will apply on all of the text generated on your video. As you can see here, I'm trying to experiment and mix and match some font style, effects, and animation to make my CapCut video more entertaining and more unique. Just remember that whatever change you make on one part of the text will apply on all auto captions generated. Just like that, you created a subtitle for your video without any hassle and with zero difficulties. If this video helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe to our channel.